Oh. No! Watch out! Is Ray behind you?
Not down the front.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're not your dear Betsy. Run, Betsy! Run!
Oh, come on, there's no way she's gonna end up vampire.
You're gonna sort of run, Betsy. You can do it. Don't give up. What?
Well, are we here yet?
Now for you, no, Spotty. You go back to sleep.
Oh, Ray. But if you did this easy, or you miss this, it's a swirly. You see, I just saw it. Yo.
Betsy, tactics. What can this up into the mountain something? Haha, there we go.
Bigger than this giant versus. Anybody knows it's getting hard. This is a regarded vampire. Are we up to kitty cat collapsing in this?
A cat? Come on, guys. This isn't scary. Whoa! Wow!
Minnie,
Fine, kiddo.
Minnie, Jenny, Hermione. Okay, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minnie.
What's the matter, Minnie?
You support this here and then cheer on what I'm bad to see you now.
What's up the way out?